Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Data Recovery Advisor. If you have ever faced the sinking feeling of losing your important data, then you know how crucial it is to recover it properly. But before you dive into the recovery mode, here are some common mistakes that you should definitely avoid. In today's video, I'll share the top mistakes people make during data recovery and how you can avoid them. Let's get into it. This is one of the biggest mistakes that almost all users make. They do not create a backup of their existing data regularly, which creates havoc at the time of accidental deletion of your crucial data. But don't panic. It's easy to get stressed when you realize your data is gone, and acting impulsively can make things worse. Just take a deep breath, assess the situation, and proceed with caution. Panic can lead to hasty decisions like formatting the drive and using unreliable recovery software, which might permanently erase your data and remove all hopes of retrieving the deleted data on your device. Yes, continuously using your device after the deletion of your data leads to permanent deletion, which closes the doors for successful data recovery. So, if you have mistakenly deleted your important data from your phone, whether it's Android or iPhone, the first thing to do is to stop using your phone immediately and don't download anything on your device unless you have decided which data recovery software you're going to use. And this brings us to a crucial point. Most of the time, people turn to use unsafe third-party data recovery solutions. These free recovery apps do nothing except show ads on every step and potentially reduce the chances of successful data recovery. Even worse, some people install cracked versions of well-known software like Stellar Data Recovery, EaseUS or Wondershare Recover It from unknown sites, thinking they have saved money, but nothing comes free. These recovery software often are incomplete and contain malicious codes that can compromise your device's integrity and above all, your privacy. Despite taking such a huge risk, there's no guarantee that you will even recover your lost data. In fact, using these unsafe methods might make things worse, leaving you with permanently deleted files that are beyond recovery. But if you want to get your deleted data back on your phone or PC, then you will need to get reliable recovery software and install it from the official website. These recovery apps are free to install and offer free scans of your deleted data. You can see the preview of your recoverable data and then decide whether you should purchase the activation key to recover your deleted files or not. For instance, I'm going to show you the recovery process of Stellar Data Recovery Professional, which is available for Windows and MacBook. The recovery steps are straightforward. First, install the recovery software on your PC from the official website. You can access it from the description below. Now open the Stellar Data Recovery Professional app on your PC or laptop and select all data and then click on the next button. After that, select the connected drive, or you can also select a specified location on your PC by selecting choose location and hitting the scan button to start the scanning process. It may take a long time, which depends on the volume of data you have selected for scanning. Once the scanning is completed, you will be able to see your scanned files in the preview window. Now select the files you want to restore on your PC and hit the recover button. From here, you will be redirected to Stellar's official website. You can buy a monthly subscription and the activation key will be sent to your email address. Now, use that activation key to recover your deleted or lost data from your PC. After entering the recovery key, you will be asked to select the location to save the recovered data. This is the point where some people select the same location to restore the recovered files on their laptops and think they got scammed. But this is not how the recovery works, because restoring the recovered files at the same location will overwrite the deleted data and recovery will not be done. That's why always select a different disk partition by clicking on the browse button to save your recovered data. Then hit the start saving button to initiate the recovery process and wait until the recovery of your deleted files is over. Once the recovery is done, go to the save location and you will find your recovered files inside a hash root folder. This is how you successfully recover the data you deleted on your PC. But if you're a phone user, then worry not, because companies like Stellar, EaseUS, etc. have dedicated recovery apps for Android and iPhone users. In case you have lost your devices or external drives data due to physical damage, then these third-party data recovery software might not be able to retrieve your permanently deleted data. If your lost data is important to you, then you can send your device or storage device to a professional data recovery technician, along with an additional storage drive, so that the recovery agent can restore your recovered files in a separate storage device. So that's all for today's video. I hope this guide will help you to avoid all the common mistakes. Losing data can be a nightmare, but with the right approach, you can recover your files without further damage. Remember, stay calm, avoid those tempting shortcuts, and always use trusted software like Stellar Data Recovery, EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, etc. And if things get really tough, don't hesitate to seek professional help. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and advice from Data Recovery Advisor. Thanks for watching and keep your data safe.